Good morning. I'm Zoe. I'm back with three new GED questions. The first question is the number is 4 because we had three questions before. Okay, a student gets an 80% of a test with 40 questions. We want to know how many correct answer she or he had. 80% of a test gets this one. It means that 80% of 40 question was correct. Yes? Okay. How can we do this? 80% we can write 80% without using any calculator right now. We can say 80% because 80% is 80 over 100 times 40. We can give a denominator of 1. Okay, how can we do this? We can simplify here or here. It doesn't matter. Okay, 80 top multiplied by top, bottom multiplied by bottom. Okay, 4 times 8, 32. Right? We can simplify this 0 with this one. The answer is 32. 32 correct question we have, she or he had, because 80% of all questions is 32. Good? Without using calculator. Okay, 4 friends split a bill on a restaurant somewhere, at a restaurant somewhere. The first person pays 1/5 of bill. The second one, 1/4 of bill. And third one pays 1/3. Okay, the question is, what is the fraction of the bill for the fourth person? Okay, a bill divided by 3 pieces. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and the fourth one. But how much is going to be this? If we find the sum of this one and subtract of everything, we get the fraction of the fourth person. Okay, 1/5 plus 1/4 plus 1/3. As you know, we have 3 fraction, adding of 3 fraction, adding or subtracting. We need to have the least common denominator, because we can do this, we can add or subtract without having the same denominator. So, how can we find a least common denominator between 5, 4, and 3? We can find here. For example, what is the 5 multiple of 5? Multiple of 5 is 5 times 5 is 5. 5 times 2 gets 10. 5 times 3, 15. 4, 20. 25, 20, 30, and it's not place for this one. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. How about the next one? 4. 4, if you write 4, 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. You right? 60 here, 60 here. How about 3? 3 is the same, we can write up to 60. Okay, 60 is the least common denominator. Because between 4 and 3 we have 12, but it's not divisible by 5. 5 and 3 is 15, not divisible by this one. But the 60 is the least multiple between these three. Okay, we can write here. 1/5, I can say this is 5 times 12 gets 60. 1 times 12 gets 12. 4 times 15 gets 60. 1 times 15 gets 15. 3 times 20 gets 60. 1 times 20 gets 20. Okay, what is the final answer? Final answer is 12 plus 15 plus 20 over 60. This is 40, 47. Yes, 47 is the sum of fraction of these three people. But how about the fourth person? Fourth person is the remaining of this one to 1. What is 1 here? When you have denominator of 60, 60 over 60 is the whole bill. Yeah, 60 over 60 is 1. Okay. This, the whole thing's minus the fraction, sum of fraction of these people. Okay. We have the same denominator. Subtract this one. How much is gonna be? 13. The answer is 13 over 60. If you add 13 over 60 and these three or these three, you can find 60 over 60 and 1. We can simplify here and we leave it here like this. 13 over 60. Good. The last one is about the log. If log base of 10 of x is 2, what is x? This is simple. You don't need to take log of both sides or something. Just you should know that this is 10 is base, 2 is power, this is base. This is the answer or argument, we say. It's not 5, but it's argument. Okay, you can write this one. What is base? Base is 10. Power is 2. X is this. X equals to base raised to power. This is x. If you want to know, the answer is 100. If you have 100 here, it means 10 raised to 2 gets this one. Okay? We can write this as log form with base of 10. Okay, hope you like this 3 types of question, GED question. I try to come back with another types of question and hope it is useful for those who take this test. Thank you. Bye.